Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to add and use libraries in your website in Webflow. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official webflow.com website right here and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all of the options that you can access in Webflow. Here we can see all of the websites that we have created, and here is the button that we can use to go ahead and create a new website if we want. But for today's video guys, I'm going to be using this website right here that I have already created called YouTube Tutorials. I'm going to go ahead and open it up by clicking on Open Designer right here. After clicking on Open Designer guys, now this will open up the website in the page, and as you can see, now we are greeted by multiple sites. At the left side of the screen, we can see all of the functions and options that we can use to manage and view our website. And at the right side of the screen is the option to edit and manage our pages, our elements, and so on. As you can see here, we have the style page to be able to edit our pages. We have the element settings and so on. But we want to go back to the left side of the screen. As you can see, we have multiple options right here, such as add elements, we can manage our components, we have the settings option, and so on. To be able to add a library, we have to go ahead and open up this plus button right here in the upper left corner and click on add elements. In this new menu, you will see that you are in the elements page. You can add multiple elements such as images, videos, and so on. What we want to do guys is go ahead and open up the layouts page right here. Go ahead guys and click on layouts, and now this will open up this new layout page where we can select the library. As you can see here, we have the starter library. We can go ahead and open it up, and now we have multiple options that we can use. We can add a new bar logo center, we can add our heroes, you can see our teams, and so on. You have multiple options that you can use to manage your library, and you can add any one of these. So you can go ahead and get started with adding them and making your perfect library that will be on your website. But yeah guys, basically that's how you get started with using libraries. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.